Job sequencing with deadline. These are the jobs given. According to job, these are the profit and these are the deadlines. So we'll see what are the profits for J1: 15, 20, 30, 18, 18, 10, 23, 16 and 25. And deadlines are 7, 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 7, 3. So suppose these are given, then first what we need to do, we need to write the jobs in decreasing order of the profit. So what will come first? Decreasing order of profit, 25, that is J9, then J7, 23, then J2, 20, then first one is 30, J3, 30, that is then 25, 23, 20, then 16, J8, 16, before that 18 will come, J4, J5, 18, then J8, 16, then J1, 15. So according to the profit, we write in decreasing order. Now we write the deadlines. J3 deadline is 5, then J9 deadline is 3, then J7 deadline is 2, and J2 deadline is 2, then J4 deadline is 3, J5 deadline is 4, J8 deadline is 7, and J1 deadline is 7. So now we'll see what maximum profit we can manage with this. So first we write J2, because with maximum profit, or we can say J2 or J7, we can write anything with maximum profit with less deadline 2. So we write J2, J7. This is first, this is second job. This is first, both are having 2 deadlines, so both can be completed. Now we'll go next. What is the maximum profit? J9 with 3 deadlines. So we'll take J9. Then third job completed. Then with the same deadline, J5, because now J4 is not possible because 3 deadline with maximum profit is completed here, so this cannot be possible. So we will go with 4 deadline, that is J5 with profit 18. So we will write here J5, 4th job completed. Then we'll see next J3, because with 5 deadlines. So J3, we'll write J3 here. Now we'll see what is left now. These 2 left, J8 and J1, because it is having 7 deadline. So both can be possible. So we can write in any order, J1, J8 I write, or J8, J1 you can write. It's okay, no problem. So 6th and 7th. So this is, we can say the profit. So according to the profit, what is the profit? Because maximum 7 jobs can be possible, because 7 is a deadline. So what is the profit? J2 profit is 20, J7 profit is 23, J9 profit is 25, then J5 profit is 18, then J3 profit is 30, then J1 and J8 16 and 15. So profit will be 147, and penalty, because we missed 2 jobs because total 9 number of jobs are there while 7 deadline is there. So J4 and J6 missed. According to the right penalty, 18 plus 10, that is 28. So with this we find the profit is 147 and penalty is 28. So as we are seeing from last 2-3 lectures, in that way we are doing. So now we are writing the algorithm for this. So for job sequencing with deadline, what can be the algorithm? First, what we are doing, we are sorting in decreasing order. Sort the array based on profits in decreasing order. Then what we are doing, what is the second step? Second step is take an array of size maximum deadline and start from right hand side. So whatever we are writing, we'll start from right hand side here to there. And the third one is for the slot SI, apply linear search to find a job which contain deadline greater than equal to I, and we will repeat for all slots. We repeat all the slots. First we are sorting decreasing order as we are doing here, and after that we are taking a size of deadline with maximum deadline, that is maximum deadline, and we'll go from right hand side to left hand side, and then after that applying that linear sort to find according to the deadline which is minimum, and we will do this for all the slots until unless we will completed all the jobs according to the deadline. So this is the algorithm of job sequencing with deadline.